Now, everything in nature is energy, which can be very well illustrated through the example of water. Beginning with this waterfall we see here. Now, this waterfall comes from a small energy source, not a powerful river. So the water just trickles down, drop by drop. And in a way, it's exactly the same as the river, because a waterfall is not a picture. If you look at it, everything is moving. Every particle in the stream is flowing and streaming. And if we could take a very close microscopic photo of the water as it was flowing, we would see that it was just tiny particles and molecules falling down, flowing one after the other. Now, a small source like that doesn't seem to be very strong, but if it keeps trickling down and falling upon even a big rock, that rock with time will eventually, through the effect of the water falling and the heat and other forms of changing energy, be changed. Even a rock is in a form of changing process. Even a mountain. And even the biggest, strongest river is just a series of drops of water which can be broken down into particles, which then flows into an ocean, which is filled with many, 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 many uncountable, countless drops and particles of water, which all seem to be one, but which in the end are nothing but energy particles changing from the form of water, actually through the heat from the sun, often into oxygen and cloud and other forms, so that sometimes when we look out at the sea and we look for the horizon, we can't find it, because the line where the horizon is supposed to be between the sky and the water is gone. And the monk who sits and meditates on the emptiness of it all is the one who sees that both the sky and the water are the same, based on the same emptiness.